Hello, this is Raja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a video tutorial and answering the question from one of my visitors that wrote to me and asking about how to knit this yarn forward and knit. And she have 4 rows that she wrote because it's the beginning of the pattern, and this pattern is a leaf square blanket. Start with the first row. Yarn forward is to put the yarn in front of the right needle before you start knitting, and then just knit with the yarn over that right needle like that, and then knit the rest of the stitches, which is 3 stitches. And the rest of the pattern are pretty much the same, except you're gonna be increased on the knitting because yarn forward is making the yarn increase. Making the stitches increase. So do the same thing on second row, yarn forward and knit 4. Knit 1, 2, 3, and then last stitch 4. And then we're moving on to the third row. Start out with yarn forward again, and then knit 2, yarn in front of the right needle, and then knit 2, 1, 2, and then in the pattern say yarn forward and knit 1. So bring yarn toward the front and knit 1. So in this case, yarn forward is the same thing as yarn over because it's followed by the knit stitch. Now yarn forward again and then knit 2 more for this row. And then for the last row of the question is the 4th row. Same thing, begin with yarn forward, so yarn in front of the needle again and knit 2, 1, 2, and then P3, so purl 3 stitches. Don't forget to bring the yarn in the front before purling. 1, 2, 3, and for the last 3 just knit. So knit 1, 2, and 3. So this make it complete for row 4. So that's the end of my tutorial for today, and I hope this video helps. Thank you for writing in the question, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Bye.